Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into Excel to learn how to hide data using hidden and very hidden options. This can be a great way to manage your spreadsheets and protect sensitive information. Why you might need to hide data? Let me share a quick story. Imagine you are working in your company for a financial report here, and then you're going to present it with your colleagues or share the file to them, and you want to show them the sales figures and you don't want them to access all or alter the salary details. So hiding the salary sheet keeps the sensitive information while allowing others to work the rest of the report. Understanding hidden and very hidden sheets. Hidden sheets. When you hide a sheet in Excel, it's still accessible through the unhide options in the Sheets tab. Let's say I will hide the salary data. Hidden sheets can be accessible through unhide options by right-clicking the worksheet and then selecting the unhide option, and they will see the salary data and can access it by unhiding the sheet, and so they can access it. Okay, so very hidden data sheets. These options hide sheets in such a way that they cannot be unhidden through the normal Excel interface. You'll need to use VBA to access the sheets. So how to hide data using hidden options. Select the sheet and right-click. Simply click the Hide tab. To unhide it or to reveal the sheet, you simply right-click any sheet and then unhide and then choose the salary data. How to hide data using the very hidden option. Open VBA editor by pressing the Alt and plus F1 on the keyboard, or simply right-click the sheet and then select View Code. Click on the Salary Data sheet in the Project Explorer. In the Properties window, set the Visible property to number 2 or the Excel sheet very hidden. The salary data sheet is gone. So when you share this file to your colleagues and they don't know how to use the VA editor and they are not that kind of tech person, they can access the salary data, because if they know just by right clicking and selecting the unhide option is disabled because we did it using the VBA editor. Hiding the salary data using the VBA editor doesn't erase the worksheet. It's still there. To make things clear, I will unhide it again by using the view code and then selecting the salary data in the Project Explorer window, and in the properties I will restore the visibility to sheets visible or the number 1, and here it is. Okay, for you to the salary isn't gone, for example, I will add a value in a cell, let's say Lawrence, and then I will reference this in our sales data. Okay, so here is the cell value that we reference to from the salary data sheet. So I will hide this salary data sheet using the VBA editor for you to prove that there's still the data there. Okay, I will hide this using the VBA editor, and then going back to Project Explorer, selecting the salary data sheet, and then the visibility we will change it from sheet visible to sheet very hidden. Okay, as you notice, the cell value from the salary data is reference. Okay, this is the proof that the data is not lost. Okay, tips for managing hidden data. Document hidden data. Keep a record of which sheets are hidden and why, so you don't forget important details. Permissions. Ensure that only authorized users have the ability to access or modify hidden data. That's it for today's tutorial. We hope you found this guide on hiding data in Excel helpful. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.